Hi everyone, welcome back. Now with the holidays right around the corner, I want to share 3 easy hairstyles perfect for nights out, holiday parties, or any special occasion. This video is sponsored by Luxy Hair and I'm wearing their seamless clip-ins in Bronde Balayage. They are the perfect match and let me show you how I quickly clip them in for extra fullness. This is also how I place them for each of the hairstyles. First, behind the ears, I start with a 3-clip weft. It's a smaller area. Next, above the ears, a 4-clip. Then about an inch higher, another 4-clip. And finally, 2-clip wefts at temple height on each side. And that's it. They make my hair look so healthy and natural, full, and the perfect base for styling. I'll link everything I'm using in the description, including a discount code if you'd like to try them. First, a half up hairstyle, my favorite. Trace around your crown, leaving the sides down to cover your ears for now. Smooth back, keeping your sections clean, and secure into a ponytail with a small elastic. Slide your elastic down slightly and trace a small opening just above it. Pull open with your index fingers and use your thumbs to push your ponytail up through that hole and out the top, and then gently tighten. Next, take your section from the left side to just behind your ear, smooth it back, and tightly bring it back underneath your ponytail and secure with crisscross bobby pins, and repeat on the right side. Now for a little extra hold and lift, add texture powder and lightly tease the underside of your ponytail. Finish with hairspray for a soft, elegant half-up hairstyle. Next, an elegant ponytail. It's easier than it looks. Start by sectioning your hair from in front of your ears to your crown in an arch shape and clip it out of the way. This allows your lower ponytail to be fuller. So secure the bottom section into a low ponytail. Let down your top section, smooth it back, and secure it just above the first ponytail. Slide the elastic down slightly and trace just to the left of your crown and down to your elastic to create an opening. Reach through with your pinchers on your left hand and twist and pull that lower ponytail up through the hole so it sits on top. Now the fun part, pinch and pull small sections on the twist to add movement and texture. It's elegant, beautiful, and perfect for any holiday party. Next, a simple updo hack. Start by smoothing your hair back into a low ponytail, and once secured, take a hair stick or pencil and slide it horizontally behind your elastic. Hold it in place with your right hand, and with your left, twist your ponytail away from your face one time, then wrap it up the left side behind the stick, over the top, and down the right side. Continue wrapping your ends around the base. To secure, I always start with the ends, then work around the outside of the bun with French pins. I'll link my how-to below. So the hair stick keeps everything in place as you pin, then you can remove it. Finish with some hairspray, shine drops, and your favorite accessory. It is the holidays after all. Let me know in the comments which look was your favorite. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.